Most people know the benefits of stretching before and after exercise on the muscles on our body. We now understand the importance of releasing tension on our muscles on the body. But how often do we think of our small and flat facial muscles? Our facial muscles work tirelessly every day to help us make facial expressions like smiling and frowning, and to help us chew our food. Facial muscles can hold a lot of tension from doing daily tasks. Do you clench your jaws and grind your teeth when you are stressed without noticing it? When you're anxious, do you tighten your shoulders and neck? Over time, you can cause chronic tension on your facial muscles. And since our facial muscles and our skin are connected, tense facial muscles contributes to fine lines and deep wrinkles on your face. Acupressure is an ancient Chinese art of applying pressure to specific points on the body. Acupressure has been used by ancient Chinese as a beauty treatment since ages. We have vital life forces flowing through the channels in our body. Facial acupressure is a practice that involves stimulating and massaging specific acupressure points on our face. It will help restore the texture and glow to your skin. We use facial acupressure in some of the face yoga poses to release tension and to tone our facial muscles. It will also help improve blood circulations and activate lymphatic system. It will bring fresh oxygen and nutrients to our facial muscles and encourage the production of collagen and elastin. Now, do you want to know how to do facial acupressure at home? All you need is your fingers and your hands and a rough idea of where your acupressure points are on your face. Once you try facial acupressure at home, you'll be surprised by how simple and effective it is. You'll want to use a mixture of pressing and massaging back and forth with 1 or 2 fingers. Apply gentle but firm pressure. Start gently but slowly increase pressure. If you hold a lot of tension on your facial muscles, pressure points could feel quite sore at first, but it should get better if you do it consistently. Apply pressure to each acupressure points for a minimum of 30 seconds. Then release and repeat again. Try to breathe deeply and slowly while you're pressing the acupressure point. I will show you my favorite acupressure points on the cheek area for facial beauty and glowing skin. The first acupressure point is called 承气 in Chinese, meaning container of tear. It is located below the pupil, between the eyeball and the infraorbital ridge. Consistent massage of this acupressure point will help relieve red and swollen eyes, as well as reduce eye bags. The second acupressure point is called 四白 in Chinese, meaning 4 whites. It is located below the pupil in a depression at the infraorbital foramen. You will feel a slight depression in the bone structure of your cheeks. Consistent massaging of this facial acupressure point can give you brighter and more hydrated skin. The third acupressure point is called 巨髎 in Chinese, meaning great crevice. With eyes looking straight forward, the point is directly below the pupil in a depression at the level of the lower border of Alanase, on the lateral side of the nasolabial groove. Consistent massaging of this facial acupressure point will reduce nasolabial fold lines, release cheek area muscle tension, and relieve swelling around the eyes. The last acupressure point I'll show you today is 地仓 in Chinese, meaning earth granary. This point is located directly below the pupil, lateral to the corner of the mouth. This acupressure point is often used to treat neurological issues in the face such as Bell's palsy. It is also known for its skin lifting effects. Consistent massaging of this facial acupressure point can lessen and prevent wrinkles around the mouth, including the nasolabial folds. This is all for today. I hope you will give facial acupressure a try. Just like face yoga, consistency is the key to seeing lasting results. If you like this video today, please like it and consider subscribing to Face Yoga Daily. This way I can bring you more natural beauty tips for free.